All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Market Vibes for April 6th. Please see the source below, as I'm not responsible for the composition of this research, and remember that nothing on this channel is financial advice. If you're finding the channel for the first time, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and to hit the bell so that you're notified when we go live, which is every day that the market is open. All right, so jumping in here, Credit Suisse Group AG will take a 4.4 billion franc or 4.7 billion US dollars write down tied to the implosion of Archegos Capital Management. They will also replace at least 7 executives and cut dividends, suspend buybacks, and scrap bonuses for top executives. Shares in Viacom CBS, VIP Shop Holdings, and Farfetch Limited declined in post-market trading after the bank unloaded $2.3 billion worth of those companies' stocks in block trades tied to the Archegos blow-up before this morning's announcement. President Joe Biden's economic agenda got a boost when Senate parliamentarian Elizabeth McDonough ruled that Democrats could enact another resolution package this year. So in simple terms, this means that additional bills can be passed this year without any Republican support. Obviously, the biggest issue with this plan is going to be the tax issue. It's speculated that pharmaceutical and technology companies are expected to be hit hardest by the proposed changes. And Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is arguing for a global corporate tax minimum rate of 21%. Definitely something to keep an eye on. Iran and the U.S. will take part in negotiations with the European Union, Russia, and China in Vienna today. This is aimed at finding a path to reviving the 2015 nuclear deal. There will be no direct talks between the two countries. Negotiations are expected to be long and difficult. Crude oil dropped yesterday on fears that a breakthrough could lead to a massive supply boost from Iran. Still recovering a little bit this morning. We'll see in commodities, but it seems like analysts see little chance of progress in the near term. Markets mixed. Yeah, so we had a crazy day yesterday. For anyone that was on the stream, I was not able to be on the stream, but markets were just nuts. So I'm sure you guys all saw that. The stock 600 in Europe climbed to record high with cyclical stocks leading the advance. S&P 500 futures were pointing to a pullback at the open. We'll talk about that in just a sec. Events to watch today: the International Monetary Fund releases its latest World Economic Outlook at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. JOLTS job opening data for February is at 10 a.m. Richmond Fed President Thomas Barkin speaks later today, and President Biden will give an update on U.S. vaccination progress at 3:45 p.m. All right, so looking at indexes yesterday, just ridiculous. The Dow up 1.13%, S&P 500 up 1.44%, NASDAQ 1.67% on the day. The FTSE 1.19%. The Russell 2000 lagging behind a little bit at just about 0.5%. And even the Bitcoin index, which has been on probably a good 7 to 10 day slide, had a 1.69% gain on the day. So good recovery on the Bitcoin large cap index, the crypto large cap index. You can see the figures for 1 month, but after a huge day like yesterday, pretty much everything is well into the green on a 1 month time frame. Almost makes you laugh how many people were telling me that the market was going to crash about 2 weeks ago for no reason. Anyways, I'm looking at futures. So yeah, American futures do suggest a pullback, which is not crazy. I mean, yesterday was an absolutely insane day. S&P 500 up almost 1.5%. So we can't just expect that to happen all day, every day for the rest of time. So yeah, a pullback seems very likely. Dow down about 0.1%, S&P 500 about 0.2%. These are futures, and the NASDAQ down about 3.3% in futures. So looking at commodities, corn, our buddy corn. I should start trading corn commodities. Never messed with that, but a few of you guys have DM'd me about the corn commentary. So yeah, corn after a crazy day 2 days ago, just kind of hung out yesterday, and now up about 0.77%. So corn's doing corn things, man. I don't know. Like we talked about earlier, oil, the West Texas Intermediate, and Brent crude, pretty good bounce back after some fear led to a slide yesterday. Currencies are doing what currency do. These are all of our rates that we talk about every day. They don't really change very often. Fed current rates, target Fed rates, prime mortgage rates, unemployment rates. And if we look at the U.S. 10-year bond yield on the day, I believe yesterday we were dead even, so no movement. And on the 1 day, we actually lost 0.6 basis points, which is a good thing. Keep that in mind. On the 1 month time frame, just about 12.63 basis points up, and up 102 basis points on the 1 year time frame from historically low. So this is a hard daily outlook for me. Personally, I still think there's a really good chance that overall markets are going to be pretty green on the day, but I do think there's going to be some healthy pullbacks, some significant pullbacks to start off the day. Probably not going to see any ridiculous volume right at the open, but overall, I think people are realizing that our markets are healthy. The United States government's not doing anything to mess with economic recovery like they've been saying for a while. So I think, I don't know, maybe on the 9th time that Powell said that, it kind of got through. I don't know, guys, but either way, on the week and the monthly outlook, I'm still very bullish. So that's going to do it for the video. Let me know. A couple people asked me to mess with the word format so that in the morning they're not getting whitewashed and hurting their eyes when they're up super early. So let me know if this format looks good or if I should play with it some more. Drop suggestions in the comment below. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you guys in the stream. Again, I probably won't be there with just starting the new job, but Weenie will be in there doing his technical analysis and trading thing. So I look forward to talking to you guys in Discord. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.